Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something very important. It is not money, it is not success, it is not fame, it is belief, the belief you have in yourself. Many people in this world are talented, many people are intelligent, but not everyone becomes successful. Do you know why? Because many people give up too early. They stop believing in themselves when problems come. Life is not easy. We all face difficulties. Sometimes we fail in exams. Sometimes we lose opportunities. Sometimes people laugh at us. Sometimes even our own family doubts us. But remember one thing, your current situation is not your final destination. Failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is the part of success. Every successful person has failed many times. The difference is they did not quit. Think about a small baby who is learning to walk. The baby falls again and again. But the baby never says, I cannot walk. The baby keeps trying, and one day the baby starts walking confidently. In the same way, when you fall in life, do not sit and cry for too long. Stand up, learn from your mistake, try again. Sometimes we compare ourselves with others. We see someone earning more money, someone getting better marks, someone getting success faster, and we feel sad. But remember, everyone has a different journey. A flower does not compete with another flower, it just blooms. You also do not need to compete with everyone. You just need to improve yourself every day. Even 1% improvement daily can change your life in 1 year. Another important thing is discipline. Yes, discipline. Motivation is powerful, but it does not stay forever. Some days you will feel excited, some days you will feel tired and lazy. That is normal. On those lazy days, discipline will save you. Wake up on time, study regularly, work hard even when you do not feel like it. Small daily actions create big results. Do not be afraid of hard work. Hard work never goes to waste. Maybe you will not see results today, maybe not tomorrow, but one day your efforts will shine like the sun. Also, choose your environment carefully. Stay with positive people. Stay with people who support your dreams. If you sit with negative people, you will start thinking negatively. If you sit with ambitious people, you will start dreaming bigger. So protect your dreams. Not everyone will understand your vision. Some people will say you cannot do this. Some people will say this is impossible. But remember, people also said flying was impossible. Today aeroplane fly in the sky. If your dream scares you a little, that means it is big enough, and big dreams require courage. There will be times when you feel alone. There will be nights when you cry silently. There will be days when you feel like quitting. In those moments, remember why you started. Yes, why you started. Remember your parents' sacrifices. Remember your goals. Remember the life you want to create. Pain is temporary, quitting is permanent. Success does not come overnight. It takes patience, it takes consistency, it takes faith. You must trust the process even when you cannot see the result. Every morning when you wake up, tell yourself, I am strong, I am capable, I can achieve my goals. Your mind is very powerful. What you think, you become. If you think you are weak, you will feel weak. If you think you are powerful, you will act powerful. So take responsibility for your life. Do not blame others for your problems. Do not blame the government, your teacher, your parents, or your situation. You may not control everything that happens to you, but you can control how you react. If you want success, you must take action. Dreams without action are only wishes. Start small, but start today. Read one page, learn one skill, patience 1 hour, practice 1 hour, take one step forward. Remember, mountains are climbed step by step. Never stop learning. The world is changing very fast. Skills are more important than excuses. Improve your knowledge, improve your communication, improve your confidence. Invest in yourself. That is the best investment you can ever make. And most importantly, be kind, be humble. When you become successful, do not forget your roots. Helps others grow, inspire others. Success becomes more meaningful when you share it. One day, people will see your success, they will see your confidence, they will see your achievements, but they will not see the hard work, the tears, the sacrifices behind it. And that is okay because you will know your story. You are stronger than your problems, you are bigger than your fears, you are more powerful than your doubts. So today, make a promise to yourself, I will not give up. I will keep moving forward. I will believe in myself. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Stand up with courage, work with passion, move with confidence. The world is waiting for your success. Thank you.